Chris and I recently stayed at the Barcelo Active Resort in Lanzarote. This is the room tour. This was actually filmed when we stayed there last year at the end of 2023, but the room is still the same. So I'm going to show you around there, and then there will be another video coming soon which will tell you all about what the Royal Level gets you. Okay, so we are in room 2407, opening the door with our wristband. And as we enter the room, well, firstly we've got these things on the wall which I believe we've just been hanging our towels on, and then over here is for the aircon and things, and this is the power card because everything else just runs off your wristband. Okay, so first on the left I'll show you the bathroom. So we've got a nice big shower. There's a waterfall shower head and then a handheld one. We have a toilet, as is accustomed, and a window we can open. There's also 2 dressing gowns. I have been using mine, and we got some slippers also, only available in the Royal Levels, I believe. And then over here we have the sink/vanity unit, and we get a little stool underneath. Nice little sink area, a couple of towels, there's a light up mirror, a light there, and a socket. They give you in the room a hand wash for you to use, 2 glasses, and a hand and body lotion. They also started by giving you an amenity kit. There's a shaving kit, a vanity kit, and some toothbrushes. And then in the shower, every day they've got nice little towels with Barcelo on them. And then there is some of our own things, but there is a shower gel and shampoo and a conditioner. So every room will have those, so you don't need to worry about bringing those. So now we're going to head out into the main living area. So we have a nice big full length mirror here, which is super useful going out at night to check what you look like. And then as we come round, this is the living area. I should say we are staying in a suite. So over here we have an area of storage as well as tea and coffee making facilities with a mini bar. I did get some footage of the mini bar before we had extra bits and things in there. As you can see, the mini bar is fully stocked and free to use. However, they will only replace the water for free. So every day they'll give you new cups and things, and there is tea and coffee making in here. And then a couple of glasses, a bottle opener, the salt I stole from the restaurant because I had a sore throat. So you get a little shelf area with a drawer. There is a hanging rail, but no hangers there. Chris has been using this cupboard right next to it to keep his clothes. Oh, he said I can show you because apparently it's a lot tidier than my areas. And then we get like a little chair next to that, and then a sofa bed, which in other junior suites, if there are more than 2 of you staying, then this will be converted into a bed. Got some cute little Canary Island inspired pictures there. Then we have like a little dining table-ish. Chris will tell you this is full of my rubbish at the minute. This is where I've been putting my makeup on a night because I found that using the mirror from one of my eyeshadow palette and the light from the window is quite perfect. There's also this nice big light up here. And then outside is to the balcony, which I will show you. And then if we spin around, you will see we get this huge TV. This TV has lots of English channels, but there are no English channels on the TV in the bedroom. We also get a nice little set of shelves. And then we've been using it to store our shoes underneath. Like I said, this is us living in it, so this is what it'll look like if you know you're living in it type of a thing. We're not going to give you any bells and whistles. And then this is the bedroom. There are 2 lights by the bed. There we go, light them up. I feel like they should have had another picture here, but they kind of forgot. Seems a bit weird. But yeah, both bedside have a hanging light, which is controlled by the door just here, and there is also one over here which will turn the lights on. Ta-da! And then you also both get a little like reading light which can be repositioned kind of however you want, which is super useful. Then there is a phone in the room. We each get a little bedside table. Again, mine is messier than Chris's. We've got like a nice little stool that's useful. for putting like shoes on or whatnot. And then we get another little TV in here. We've not been able to find any English channels on here. We came in the other night and ended up watching Spain's Got Talent or something crazy. And there was several Harry Potter films on in different languages. So that was interesting. And then over here we have like a big double wardrobe with sliding doors. If I show you this side, in here we get a safe, which is free to use on the royal level, 3 drawers and a basket with a hairdryer. The hairdryer, I must say, I've only used it once because it's been so warm, but it's very powerful, very, very good. Some hanging space and then some spare bedding should we need it. I think there's like spare quilts and things in there. And then in the other side is the full length section, which is what I've been using to store my clothes because I've needed longer clothes than Grace. And then there is also an iron and an ironing board. Okay, here we have a window to the outside balcony, but it's not a door, it is just a window. So if you want to go into the outside, we need to go this way. We're actually very lucky because we have a very quiet terrace. It's really, really nice. To start with, we have our own sun lounger, which we haven't really used because we've been around the pool mostly. And then over here, it looks very much, it reminds me of like somewhere in Greece or something with the white buildings and the sea. And then unfortunately there is a power station, but to be honest, we've not found it like to be imposing a view or anything. In fact, it lights up at night, almost pretty. And then over here we have a view of the mountains, which is very, very pretty, or slash volcanoes, I guess. And then down here we have a view of the quiet royal level only pool. There's very, very little people around here. There's always sunbeds and it's always so quiet. And then over here we have a little sitting area with 2 comfortable chairs and a drying area for our clothes. But then we've also found this pretty useful for drying clothes. We've got a flannel on there at the moment. But yeah, that's the view from the back of block 2. So that concludes the tour of the room. We stayed in a junior suite, which actually turned out to be cheaper than just a regular royal level room, which had a sea view. So I would definitely get the junior suite instead. It was a pretty comfortable room. Let me know what you guys think of it. And as always, if you've enjoyed the video, please do me a favour and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe because I've got plenty more coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.